guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I just finished eating breakfast and making myself my coffee. As I showed you guys, I'm obsessed with my Nespresso. Honestly, it's like the best thing. I actually just got my package 2 days ago because I was waiting on my orders that I made for my new capsules after they gave me the box to try. So I will let you guys see that clip right here of me opening it and putting it into my little jar that I have. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to keep it next to the machine so that tomorrow I probably will make this one, or I might make the LTCO for me too, like a latte, because it's an espresso and I haven't tried that one yet. But this is going to last me for so long. I'm really excited. But this is my first time trying the Caramelizio one, and I'm going to test it right now with you guys. Taste test. Oh wow. It's really good. Look at like the foam. Anyways, this morning, today is going to be really productive. I'm planning on like decluttering everything, going through my closet and getting rid of clothes, donating clothes, all that stuff, and just a big day of organization. But first, I'm going to drink my coffee and watch my show from yesterday, and then I'll get started. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this vlog motivates you to clean your closet, especially start your new year off on a good note, especially if you're going back to college soon or classes, anything like that. Just organize. I'm starting the process of cleaning, and I have my show on the background. I'm putting everything on my bed and making piles, and then I'm gonna get a big bag to put the clothes that I want to donate. So right now I just have my sweatpants in this pile, short sleeve tops. Usually like I put short sleeve and long sleeve separate, and then I end up combining it into one pile. I don't know. And then here's like a huge mountain of just like random little tank tops, some shorts, underwear, sports bras, socks. Like this is just a mess. Usually I do this last, like I sort through all my socks, throw away any old stuff, but this is what we're working with right now. I'm just gonna like really be real with you guys. Like this is currently all my pants with like some of my summer shorts. So I'm like moving my summer shorts and summer stuff to the bottom of my closet because this is just a mess, and I let it all pile up. I just need to go through this. So I'm not ashamed because this is like the before of everything. It literally looks like a tornado hit, but you guys will see the whole transformation. Everything will be folded neatly, and yeah. And this is just the top half. So look at this cute purse that I found in my closet. I think I use this for like my friend's Sweet 16, and inside I have like my freaking old iPhone and iPod. Like look at how tiny this is. I think this was the 5. Just look at how tiny it is. It has the home button, doesn't even turn on. Obviously it's dead, but this one, something happened to it where like I dropped it from like a low point, and it had like the lines on it, and it was super hard to see. It didn't even crack. It was just like internal. But just look at the comparison. I love finding like stuff when I'm cleaning. This purse, little mini purse, reminds me of like what a Chanel bag looks like. Obviously it's not a Chanel bag, but it kind of reminds me of it. But I'm speaking into existence that one day I'll be able to get myself a Chanel purse. But look how cute. Anyways, time to really clean and stop procrastinating. I just wanted to update you guys. Alright, the lighting isn't the best, so I'm using like my flashlight. But these are all like my summer stuff on the bottom, and I have like my scarves right here. But I got rid of a lot of jean shorts because they were just like so tight, and I finally got to throw them out. Well, not throw them out, but like I'm gonna donate the good ones. But these are my summer stuff, so I'm gonna keep them on the bottom until like obviously summer is back. But I'm gonna definitely need to buy some more jean shorts and go on a shopping spree when summer like comes and hit all the sales. This is the progress so far. Done officially with just the closet. I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I need to like organize this little box thing that I have, and I want to put also like my new perfumes and find a place to put my Polaroid camera and some other stuff that I got for Christmas. So still organizing, but I need to take a lunch break because I'm starving. Hi guys, I look super pale right now, and I threw on a beanie because my hair was a mess, so I had to cover it up. I didn't feel like doing anything like extra. I also don't have like any mascara on or anything. I just look so pale, and I don't know, I just look off today because I really don't care. Today has been such a productive like cleaning day, but I wanted some fresh air. Actually, I'm gonna go drop off my bag of clothes that I am donating, which always makes me feel good because it's not going to waste and I get to donate it. So happy about that. And I still need to do some other organizing. I also want to go through my school bag and like look through it and make sure, you know, everything is good to go so I can add like my new books and school supplies once I prepare for the new semester in a couple weeks. I also want to just like a whole decluttering. I'm gonna go through my computer, my phone, just literally have a really fresh start, fresh, clean, organized start to 2020. And with the new semester coming, I just want to be all ready and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna go drop the clothes off, and then I'm gonna go to the market because I need some milk and my mom needs some stuff, so I need to do that as well. So perfect because I get to like get out of the house after cleaning for a good like 2 hours or more. Back home, I want to declutter and organize my backpack, take out whatever does not belong here anymore, and so that when I go like school supply shopping and stuff for the spring semester, which if you guys don't know, don't think I mentioned it, I start the 21st, so it's nice to have a long break. I have like 2 more weeks left, or about a week left. Yeah, 2 more weeks. So I just want to like organize like these books. I'm gonna try to either sell, because I like bought them, I didn't like rent them out because like they were super cheap, so I might just sell them or give them away or something. Not really sure yet, but I can like donate it, I'm sure, to like a school library or something useful. So I'm gonna do that, and I just want to get rid of any old paperwork that I don't need in my folders, so that when I start again I can just have clear space, because these folders last so long. They're still in really good condition. So I'm just gonna like organize. Don't mind my hair, it's a little crazy, but also my dinner was so good. I showed you guys I had salmon with like roasted peppers, with broccoli, steamed broccoli, and a little bit of rice. It was so freaking good, like it's amazing. I just made myself some tea, and I actually put it in my new mug that I use like for my coffee, but it's the double-walled one, and I don't know, I just wanted to use it today for my tea. Some green tea tonight because green tea is just really, really good. I love it. You could literally see the smoke coming out of it, but I'm not gonna drink any yet. I'm just gonna let it cool because it's not good to drink tea when it's like really hot. But if you guys want these mugs, I got them from Amazon. They're really good. It really keeps your drink warm, and that's what I love about it, because when I have my coffee, I always hate when it gets cold, but this actually really keeps it warm. And they're super lightweight. They don't feel heavy or anything, so I'll have them linked down below. The next step in my like decluttering and organizing my life for 2020, I'm going to be decluttering my phone. I have so many pictures for like no reason, some like random screenshots and stuff, and also like if there's any apps I don't use anymore, I just want to go in and, you know, delete that, you know, free up some space on my phone, just like clear it all out of any old screenshots from like the semester last year. Technically last year, from any screenshots from last semester and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, and it is 9:19. Like, I have 532 screenshots, and they're literally probably all from school stuff, like, when I have any notes from, like, the board or I can't see the PowerPoint, or also from, like, my YouTube thumbnails when I screenshot stuff. Yeah, I just have way too much stuff on my phone. Alright guys, I'm done for today with my whole like decluttering and stuff. It just feels really good to just start the new year 2020, you know, with a clear space, clear mind, everything, you know, just doing little things like what I did today just really makes me feel really productive, and that like I have like a new fresh start to my year and for like these next couple of weeks and months that I have ahead of me, like school coming up soon, but still also having the rest of these next 2 weeks to just enjoy before school starts. Just really feels good to like start off a new month and a new year in the right direction. So I really hope you guys, you know, found it motivating to do the same thing, and leave a comment down below what you like to do to organize, or like what's your first thing that you do when you need to like declutter and organize. And also even just getting out and getting fresh air really also helped me today, because I was like stuck at home cleaning, but also getting fresh air and just like listening to music when I went to the supermarket, just, I don't know, really helped. So it's okay to declutter and like get rid of stuff and just have like an open, clear space and mind, because I really love it and it really helps a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna chill, drink my tea, and head to bed. Tomorrow I have to wake up early. I'm also vlogging tomorrow. But give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And with that being said, I will see you guys all in my next one. Flying high like the birds and the bees and